This time of year, it's hard not to feel bombarded by everyone trying to sell us some type of diet plan or exercise equipment. For some of us, that's just what we need. But for others, it only takes a few weeks before our diet plan is forgotten about and the treadmill ends up being used as a clothing rack. Instead, I like to get on track by weaving a few healthy and tasty recipes into my weekly routine, like this one. We start by beating some egg whites until they're stiff. To that, we fold in some cooked crumbled turkey sausage, scallions, and diced pimentos. Now we spoon this onto a lined baking sheet. Before popping these into the oven, we make a well in the center of each mound using the back of a spoon. After these get baked for a few minutes, we take them out, place an egg yolk in the well, and back into the oven they go. Once the yolk sets up, they're ready to serve. Yup, big, fluffy, and packed with flavor. Serve each one with some fresh fruit and whole wheat toast, and breakfast is ready. The recipe for what we call our loaded egg clouds is waiting for you on our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a lighter than air way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.